Okay guys, my recording stopped up, so I had to cut out the whole tutorial. Up to the actual story part. You missed out on the big boss, because I was watching the big boss. Invincible! Yes! Some enemies will drop power-ups when you kill them. These can range from temporary boosts in jumping ability and power to health gains and leveling up. Be careful though, because some items can actually be power downs and leave you at a temporary disadvantage. Yep. Ow, what the? Why is it those flashing? Get out of my way. Oh no. Yeah, just drop a giant fish on their face as you do. Ah, get off me. Just turn everything to sludge. Die. Nobody likes you. Okay, so let's see. What? Have we got anything new here? Okay, I'm gonna see what else. A book. Why not? I'm gonna go a book there. Give me paper cuts. Find the magical book. Kirsten. Yes. That was cool. Oh, that looks so hilarious. I'm gonna give you paper cuts. Oh, yes. Feel my wrath. Shadow clone, boy. Oh, yeah. Let's just get up here. Oh. Sneaky. Just gotta be careful for power downs. Apparently they're not nice. Chill. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, when I first started, I forgot to change I can't change my legs. I've tried to record this one before, and I ended up with a hamster for legs. It's just like the most random thing ever. No, koala, what did they do to you? I will save you, koala. What's this? Power up. Yes, I have the spike of death. Why can I not? Whoa, lag. Hello? Am I supposed to do something? Too lazy. Whatever it is you want me to do, I'm not gonna do it. No, I'm rebelling. Rebellion. What the? Hello, why can't I save you? This is getting weird. Hang on guys, let me just try. Hang on a second. Okay, so I didn't exactly figure it out. Oh yes. Oh, I got a disadvantage. You know. Times like these, you're just gonna flail your literature around. Okay, let's see if that made any difference because I killed a whole bunch of things. That's what this game's all about, killing stuff. Oops. Hang on. Yeah. Oh, there we go. I just have to go through and slaughter a whole bunch of stuff. Why not? This is the game about slaughtering. Ow, how could you? Be so mean. Nobody likes you. Go away, guys. Kill you. Kill you. Oops. It's amazing how long this actually takes to play. Whee! Feel the wrath of literature. Oh god. Nice. Oh yes. Look, you better. What? Oh. Well, at least there's format here. Oh, that was clever of me. I could smell you. I could smell you. I wonder if I've got any more costume parts. I like these books. Oh, suits. Fancy. I still like this guy. Anything else here? No. Okay. Oh yes, it's back. Gonna get. Oh. Oh no. Oh. I guess I'm gonna end it here. Oh no, you're gonna execute him. Why would they do that? Oh well, I guess I'm just gonna have to leave it here. And watch my poor little gorilla die. Game over.
Oh my god! It's a Bionic chainsaw Pogo gorilla!
What he said. Okay, I'll put a link in the description. If you like, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys later. Bye!